Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by capturing a stable camera feed. Position your camera and set resolution to 1080p 30 fps for smooth results. Once done, make sure your background is even. A green screen is ideal because it simplifies keying, but a plain wall can work if lit well. You also need software that supports live backgrounds, like OBS or virtual camera apps, so install and open it now. This gets you into the workflow and lets you test input and lighting before keying. Next, add your camera as a source and apply the chroma key or background removal filter. This is where you separate foreground from background. You will tune similarity, smoothness, and spill reduction. Increase similarity to remove more green, reduce smoothness if edges look mushy, and use spill reduction to fix color halos. Then add the background layer underneath. Choose an image or looping video, scale it to fit the frame, and arrange layers so your subject appears in front of the virtual scene. To finish, route your output to a virtual camera or streaming service and confirm audio/video sync by recording a short test. Make sure to adjust color grading and lighting so your subject blends naturally, tweak exposure, contrast, and apply a slight color match if needed. If you see flicker, haloing, or lag, address them now. Reduce key aggressiveness, improve lighting to remove shadows, close background apps, or switch to hardware encoding to reduce CPU load. This single troubleshooting tip often fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.